Okay.
Sit.
Go like this. Go. Zeus, come. Okay. Now make him sit.
Sit.
Oh, well, tell him to lay down this time. Can you tell him to go like down? Go like this. Tell him down.
Down.
All right. Yeah. What a good puppy. Did you give him a treat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he a good puppy? Another one? No, he all done. He had enough treats. We'll do another trick with him later.
No, I want.
Later.
No.
No, cause then he gonna be too full. He won't be able to eat his breakfast. He's gotta have breakfast first. Should I go take him outside and give him his breakfast?
Inside?
Well, no, I gotta take him outside to go potty, and then he has his breakfast in the kennel.
No, inside.
No, I take him outside.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna take him outside. Go potty.
No.
Okay, give him a hug and say bye-bye, Zeusy. Okay, Raya, I gotta take him.
No.
I know you love your puppy.
Raya, should we have breakfast?
Yeah, you need to eat too. What are you gonna have? You gonna have toast? Or are you gonna have eggs? Okay, ready? Say bye-bye, Zeus.